तुम्हारे टाइम पे थी ये पहले? पहली बार मिल रही है। सो हाँ गरिमा थी, हाँ गरिमा अभी भी करती। आज आज एक्चुअली वी आर हैविंग दैट स्मॉल क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशन, सो सब बाहर बिजी है। सो यू कैन काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many? 100. And this is a sperm counting chamber. What is this? Sperm counting chamber. It's for counting. You cannot do morphology here. You cannot do DNA fragmentation here. It's only for counting. And this is so. Now मैं दिखाना ही चाह रहा हूँ आपको. Be very carefully with me. I'm at now 4x. In case I want to go to 10x, my 10 is yellow. Yes. 10 is yellow. You're all with me? So I go to 10. I can see 10. Once I have focused at 4, my 10, 20, 40, 100 will show me that object. But only I'm losing a bit of clarity. So it's always I will pull towards me, and to pull towards me, I get this clarity here right away. As I'm getting this clarity with me, and I am able to see this chamber here. But when I see this chamber here, a large number of all 10 normally cannot come on the screen. Some of those grid will be lost. So I had my chamber somewhere down below. So once we focus it, then, but you find that issue which occurs is that I can only see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. Rest all are gone from the view. समझ पा रहे हैं मेरी बात को? It's called a sperm counting chamber. But as you go to higher magnification, you will only get less number of boxes on the screen. And now I want to go to say 20. I'll go to 20. Let's see what happens. When I go to 20, it will come and hit. Now in case we are not aware and we apply more pressure, it will break the grid. And what do we lose? A lovely silk sari, Kanjivaram. How possessive women are about the sarees, na? Sari ke paas mein nahi aana. And this is one sari which is soiled. So I always prefer that as you start your careers, always work on glass slides. As this I've told you, we have learnt about them. So I'll go back to 4. 4 dikh raha hai. So now I just go away from and get my 4 in focus. This is one way we work on this microscope. Same way we'll work on this microscope, and I will try to show you how to mount another type of a chamber. And this chamber is a different type of a chamber in which we've got a grid marked here. When the grid is marked here, the advantage of the grid being marked here is that it won't break that easily. When we have in case we have a macular chamber, the head can break, but this won't break. This also you can mount, and I will try to mount this one here. I'll go to, सबसे पहले क्या करना है, as low as possible. अब लो के चक्कर में इतना जोर भी लगाना कि वो टूट जाए. I go to the lowest magnification which is there with me here. 4 तो है ही नहीं.
Yellow. Oh yeah, 10.
10. So I'm at 10. So I just go here and try to mount it, और मैंने इसको mount कर दिया. Can I see something?
No, sir.
I can't, because I am at the lowest possible height. So I want to increase the height. So gradually I'll pull the lower the side one course control up and try to get something in view, and something will come into view at some point of time. So something should come into view at some point of time, and as no, not coming, so I'll move it slightly left or right. I'll have to reduce the light a bit, make it slightly lower. At some point of time, you should be able to get something coming into the view. Yes, something will come into the view. And comes on the view, I do like this. Now, remember that how to focus it is a bit of challenge. But this is my coated surface जहाँ पे grid बना रखा है. Grid में कितने खाने हैं? 100. Excellent. So I will go and try to trace. Now I have come in case I go on the other side, I'll get one more grid here. Do you understand this? Both the sides, this is my coated surface. So I'll come on the coated surface, other side, this side, and now I will try to trace in case I can get something coming my way, and I'm not. I go on the other side. So at some point of time, I should be able to get some grid in view. Sometimes we have difficulties, but it should come in view at some point of time. So this is my one side. इसके अंदर the trick is that we have to normally keep a mark somewhere so that it is clean. Normally we put, यहाँ पे grid होता है, we put a small mark. So my grid is somewhere here. Here is my grid. So I will go in again. At some point of time, I should be able to get something in view. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ दिखना चाहिए. This is my one well.